Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact Nitro 5 model and current BIOS so you download correct drivers. Next, create a system restore point and backup important files. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, plug into AC power and ensure a stable internet connection. Make sure third-party antivirus is paused to prevent installer blocks. Then open Windows Update and Device Manager to note any flagged devices. This gets you ready to fetch and apply the precise driver packages you need. You now download drivers from Acer and hardware vendors to ensure compatibility and latest fixes. First, get chipset, LAN, audio, touchpad, and GPU packages from Acer support, then cross-check Intel or NVIDIA for newer GPU or chipset drivers. Once downloaded, extract all installers into a single folder and close background applications. You should install chipset and system drivers first, then graphics and peripherals. This order prevents driver conflicts. If a driver offers a clean install option, choose it to replace legacy drivers. You install each driver package in sequence and reboot when the installer requests it, especially after chipset and GPU installs. After final restart, open Device Manager to confirm no unknown devices and run a quick display or audio check to verify functionality. If a driver causes instability, immediately roll back in Device Manager or uninstall the offending driver in safe mode, then reinstall a previous version. Make sure to use your restore point if things fail. That returns system state and prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.